So you only have $300, but you want to find a great desk setup? Well, you came to the right place. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys a great desk setup for only $300 that will get you a great monitor, keyboard, speakers, and all the essentials. Let's get right into it. So as you guys can see here, this $300 budget desk setup is complete with the Samsung 27-inch curved monitor, Logitech Z200 desktop speakers, Beats EP headphones, Newbie $9 headphone stand, a decorative plant, the Razer Ornata Chroma keyboard, Logitech M325 mouse, Google Home Mini, some shoe boxes, and a pair of shoes. Starting off with the desk first, you can see the Linmon table here in black with the Atlas legs also in black. I purchased this desk from IKEA for $50 Canadian or around $45 US. This desk is pretty good. It measures 120 centimeters long by 75 centimeters wide, and it's pretty good. It's made out of wood, finished in black, but you can also get it finished in white. You can get the legs finished in red, blue, black, and white. But this desk has been pretty good. It supports the monitor and everything well. And overall the size, I'd say the size is pretty good. You could go a little bit bigger, which wouldn't hurt, especially if you're going for an ultra wide monitor. You of course want more room, or if you want something for like homework, you want extra space or something like that, then I would definitely go bigger. But this size has been fine for me. It works, and there's no need to change it, because you know, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. The legs also are pretty good. I've not had any issues, no wobbling issues or anything like that. Even when I'm typing aggressively, there's no shakage or anything like that. And I also have a light strip taped to the back of it, made by Best Buy or Insignia. It's their brand. $12 for the light strip. And it's pretty good. I mean, it's not smart or anything like that, so no smart home compatibility or anything like that. You can't use your phone to turn it on or off, which is, I mean, for $12, you don't really expect that. You could go for Philips Hue or something like that, but that will cost way more money, and in my opinion, it's not really worth it. Smart home bulbs and stuff like that is a little bit more worth it, but as far as light strips go, it's nice for a dream desk setup, yeah, but for a $300 budget setup, if you're in school, if you're a student, it's not a necessity, and I just didn't feel the need. But going back to the desk, it's pretty good. For $50, I would definitely recommend this, especially for budget. You don't want to go with anything like crazy, a motorized desk for sitting and standing. It's pretty solid, and I would recommend this desk. Moving on to my headphones, I have the Beats EP, which are pretty good headphones. I probably wouldn't recommend it just because of the price. I feel like you could definitely get something better for the same price point, but these aren't bad at the end of the day. The Newbie headphone stand is pretty good. As I mentioned, it's $9 from Amazon. It's a headphone stand, it's good. You could also go with a hook style that hooks at the bottom of your desk and hangs down there. That's also good. I'll leave a link to the Newbie headphone stand and everything else in this video in the description below if you'd like to check it out for yourself. Next, moving on to the Logitech desktop speakers. This is the Logitech Z200. These are 10-watt speakers, come in a pair. The left side has all the volume controls and everything like that. These are pretty good. Rich sound, I really like them. Nice bassy sound, and everything's punchy. I mean, obviously, for a pair of $40 Canadian speakers, what do you expect? I mean, it's $40, you're not expecting like crazy like UE boom sound or anything like that. But it's for its price, it's definitely very good. And the sound is pleasant. I enjoy listening to music, watching videos, podcasts, all that good stuff on these speakers. And they look pretty nice too. They come in a black color with some white trim around the speakers, and they fit in well with this desk too. They also would fit in well with the white desk too, so I think these are definitely a good buy. Moving on to the centerpiece of this desk, the monitor. This is the Samsung 27-inch curved monitor, and I only got this for $200 at Best Buy. That is $200 Canadian, by the way. I got this one on sale. Usually retail is $300 Canadian, but $200, it was a steal. The monitor is really good. It does have a 60 Hz refresh rate, which is really good for gaming, and just overall just float and everything like that. So I really would recommend this monitor. It also has very good color, and it is only a 1080p monitor, so no 4K, nothing like that. It's not OLED or anything like that, it's just an IPS panel, but for $200, 60Hz refresh rate, nice curvature, 1800R curvature. I don't know exactly what that means, but it's a nice curvature. It's not too crazy or anything like that. It's subtle, but it's nice. You can definitely notice it, and it wraps around like your peripheral vision pretty nicely. So when you're sitting right in the center of it, it provides a very pleasant viewing experience. I'd really recommend this monitor as a great centerpiece for your desk, and for only $200, it's a pretty good deal. It also has the standard port selection, HDMI, VGA, aux in, power, all that good stuff. You got it here. No USB-C, nothing crazy, only one HDMI port, which is a little bit unfortunate. I would have liked to see two, and it's only HDMI 1. It's not HDMI 2.1, nothing like that, but it is only $200, remember. Moving on to the Google Home Mini. I had the Google Home Mini in charcoal. You can also get it in a variety of different colors, including gray or white. I forget what it's called. There's like a blue one and like a coral red one. But I think Google Home Minis are definitely great to have on your desk, or your counter, or your dresser, or something like that, because they provide very useful information, and just when you're going in your workflow, it's just really helpful to have it. For like a student, if you need to answer math questions or weather or anything like that, it's right there. It knows everything. It's very convenient. I'd recommend it, but don't pay full price for it. They go on sale like every other day, so I'd definitely wait until you have a sale, especially at the holidays. Like Boxing Day, you can find it for super cheap. But yeah, that's the Google Home Mini. Moving on to the keyboard, I have the Razer Ornata Chroma keyboard. This is a very nice keyboard. It is a mecha membrane keyboard, so it's a mix of mechanical and membrane. It's really nice. It's got mid-height keycaps, and I really like it. It's great for gaming, and it's also great for productivity. I do like the mid-height keycaps. I feel like if it's too tall, it gets a little bit hard to type, and it just can kind of be a little bit annoying at times when you're just trying to be really productive. Whereas mid-height, it's nice. You get to feel the nice key travel and the nice clickiness, and it's just overall pretty good. I don't really have any complaints about this keyboard. As I did mention, it is the Chroma version, so it has all the crazy great RGB lighting that Razer provides with the Razer Synapse software. I love their software, it's awesome. Bunch of presets. I chose from the rainbow preset. That's personally my favorite, but you can also customize it, do all sorts of things, whatever you want. It's really awesome. I love Razer products, especially because of this. The customization is just awesome. It's unique, it's great, and it even has this little glass panel that shows caps lock, number lock, macro functionality, because this keyboard does have macros, so you can map certain keys to do whatever you want. And it's got a gaming mode, which basically disables all the function keys, so you can so whatever like the function keys does in that game, it will do that. It won't like do like keyboard brightness or whatever, because it'll just disable all of that. And I'll do a little click test thing for you guys right here. So it is pretty nice and clicky. Very, very satisfying to click it. I do like it. I know some people may find this annoying, but at the end of the day, your desk, it's your keyboard. But it's nice. I really do like it. If you don't want something as clicky, then I'd go with something membrane, or if you want something more clicky, then mechanical. But this is really nice. It's a nice pillowy feel of a membrane keyboard, but it's also that nice satisfying click of mechanical. Moving on to the sneaker boxes that I have. I think it's a really nice personal touch, and if you're not into sneakers, if you're into basketball or something like that, you can hang up posters, whatever. That's what I did too. I have basketball posters on my wall. And also another thing that I'm going to do for you guys sneakerheads out there, I'm going to have the IKEA LAC, I believe they're called the LAC floating shelves. I'm going to have those on my wall, and I can display my sneakers there. That's just a couple ideas that I have. But I really like adding like a personal touch to your room. I think it's awesome. You can have like a beanbag, posters, like I said, anything really. But yeah, I really enjoy like kind of personalizing it, making it fun and unique to you. But yeah, guys, that's been my desk setup video. $300 budget desk setup. And yeah, that's the desk setup. So it'll only run you $300 US, and it's a pretty complete desk setup. It's pretty well rounded, and very functional. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed that video, please leave a like and consider subscribing, as it helps out the channel. If you have any video ideas, leave it in the description below. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.